Feeling drained all the time? I know the feeling. Some days it's like your body just won't cooperate. But what if I told you there's a tiny green powder that scientists call the miracle tree? Today we're breaking down why this superfood may help support energy and wellness naturally. Origins and traditional use. Moringa, or Moringa Oleifera, has been used for thousands of years as both food and medicine. And honestly, when I first tried it, I was shocked at how nutrient-packed it is. Modern research is now catching up, showing why it earned the nickname Miracle Tree. Stick with me because we're going to cover its nutrients, the science behind it, and easy ways to include it in your daily routine. And once you hear how it stacks up against everyday foods like oranges and bananas, you'll see why people can't stop talking about it. Nutritional powerhouse. Here's where it gets really interesting. Moringa leaves are a nutrient powerhouse. Gram for gram, they have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times more calcium than milk, 3 times more potassium than bananas, and twice the protein of yogurt. Plus, it's loaded with iron, magnesium, and antioxidants. When I first saw these numbers, I thought, wow, no wonder it's called the miracle tree. This is exactly why nutritionists are so excited about it. But nutrients are just numbers. The real question is, how does this actually translate into more energy for you and me? How it supports energy. Fatigue happens when our cells don't get enough nutrients to produce energy efficiently. That's where Moringa comes in. Its iron helps transport oxygen in your blood, which is key for feeling alert. And the antioxidants? They may reduce oxidative stress so your cells can function better. Honestly, I've noticed a difference when I add it to my morning smoothie. It's subtle but real. Many people report feeling more alert and energized, and it's easy to see why scientists are interested. And boosting energy is just the beginning. Research is uncovering even more potential benefits. Additional potential benefits. Moringa also contains compounds that research suggests may support healthy blood sugar, nutrient absorption, and overall cellular function. While it's not a magic cure, and I always remind myself of that, adding nutrient-rich foods like this can help your body feel its best. Personally, I like knowing I'm giving my cells a little extra support every day. So the big question is, how can you easily add it into your routine without overthinking it? How to include Moringa in your diet. Incorporating Moringa powder is simple. I usually start with a teaspoon in my morning smoothie. You can also stir it into oatmeal or brew it as tea. Over time, these small additions can make a difference in overall wellness. One thing I always tell people, consistency matters more than quantity. And if you're ready to start trying it yourself, here's what I recommend you do next. Now that you know why Moringa is called the miracle tree, don't just stop here. Make sure you hit subscribe and top the notification bell so you never miss tips on natural ways to boost your energy and wellness. If you found this video useful, smash that like button and share it with a friend who needs an energy boost. And I want to hear from you. Comment below, have you tried Moringa yet?